Hi everyone, this is Iirsstace in Finland. You're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use the Scotch glue stick to lay my frontal like a pro. So guys, don't go anywhere. Watch this video till the end and you won't regret it. Keep watching. Okay guys, as you can see now I am just like drawing the glue onto my edges where I would like to lay my frontal. Usually I do this step twice because um, just one application is always very light and doesn't hold my frontal. This is the second application. I am adding a second layer so that my frontal could stick properly. This is the wig I want. I want to wear. Usually I wear my wig without styling my baby hair, and my baby hair end up getting trapped on the glue, and it's always very difficult to style it afterward. And oftentimes I end up lifting my lace, so it's useless. So I watched a lot of videos where I see others styling the baby hair before they actually wear the wig. So I did this method and I think I like it so much. So you can see the baby hair still in place, but I think I would have to retouch it later. Yeah, I'm gonna use my table mirror because it's difficult looking at the mirror at the camera, sorry, at the same time and laying my lace. So I'm just gonna use my fingers to press my lace onto the glue. Okay, guys, one thing about this glue is immediately you apply it, just lay your frontal. Don't let it dry. You don't need any blow drying or anything like that. It's already tacky by nature. After application, if you let it dry like for 1 second, it's just gonna dry on you and your lace front, and your lace won't stick on it. So immediately you apply it, just lay a wig and you're ready to go. One thing I like about this Scotch glue stick is that immediately you lay your frontal, it grips and locks it in place, and you really feel that pressure. I'm going to use the famous Got to Be Glued gel to retouch my baby hair because I kind of messed it up when I was laying my frontal. And don't be discouraged with my baby hair. That's one thing I still don't know how to do. I can pluck a wig, I can sew a wig on myself, I can do box braid, I can do everything, but the only challenge I have in my life is actually cutting and styling baby hair. See how much baby hair I have on there. Oh, the whole point of this is to make the wig look realistic, but with this much baby hair, I don't think it even looks realistic at all. But anyway, after this video, I'm just gonna take it off, wash the wig, and then reduce the baby hair, and then I think I'm gonna trim it a little shorter because it's all over my face. I'm still gonna watch videos on how to cut and style baby hair. I still don't know how to do that. But I'm trying my best anyway. I learned how to lay less frontal just here on Facebook. So if I could learn how to do this on Facebook, then the baby hair won't be any problem. Just that I have not really cared about styling my baby hair. Just like to lay my wig and do a little touch up here and there, and I'm gone. I've never had time to like sit and do baby hair. So guys, you can see how much time I'm taking to lay the baby hair, because I want them to look perfect. I'm struggling here. And guys, if you know any video I can watch on how to like cut and style your baby hair, please leave it in the comment section below. For me, I really do need this right now in my life. That's too long. It looked funny. Yeah, I think it's better this way. I'm still struggling with the baby hair. I'm still struggling. Cutting and laying baby hair doesn't come naturally to me. Guys, so after centuries, I finally came up with something like this. See, one thing I like about the glue, see, I haven't tied it down with any scarf or used a blow dryer. My wig is secured. So this is the final result, and this wig can last me up to 2 weeks if I'm really careful. If I don't let water touch the edges when I'm taking a shower, or if I'm careless during the night, it's not gonna look, yeah, it's not gonna last. But if I take proper care, it's gonna take me up to a month. Just tie the edges with a silk scarf when I go to bed, and voila, that's all about it. So guys, I just thought I should share this with you, and maybe you're living in one of those countries where you cannot find got to be glued, and I know my country is first in the list where you cannot find got to be glued or got to be extra glued or ghost bond or any other lace frontal glue. Just go to your local library or bookshop, get yourself a scotch glue stick, and lay that wig like a pro. So guys, hope you liked my video. Comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's my baby. She's on holiday from the daycare. And thank you for watching to the end. Bye bye. I'm gonna see you in my next video.
Ooh, da, 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 da. Go, go.